Next up, rain or shine. A healthy mix of veterans and very young players on this squad, Carlo.
Yep, si Super Senior, Bobelga, si Emperor tawag mo, di ba? Emperor Bobelga, of course, James Yap, Jewel, Borboran, Gabe, all of those familiar names with rain or shine.
Pagbabalik pa ni Aranya.
Yep, pero sabi nga ni Bo, tingin niya malaki yung matutulong ng mga bagong players sa kanila. Prince Rivero, of course, one of their rookies, si Adrian Wong, Clint Doliguez, coming from, a winning squad and the NCAA. But the continued evolution of Reynam Batak as a PBA superstar is what I'm on the lookout for para sa Rain or Shine. Napatunayan na niya nakaya niya. Glimpses of brilliance.
Yeah.
Minsan may consistent 2-3 game stretch na maganda yung laro. But to be able to do that regularly, to become the next poly-level player for Rain or Shine, that is what they require from him.
Yung tibay ng loob, yung clutch gene, pinakita na sa atin yan ni Reynam Batak. Even back in college, pero syempre, ibang entablado yung PBA. And he's proven he can get it done here. But as you said, Carlo, 2-3 games, may mga ganong stretch ang napakaganda, but it has to be all the time.
Yeah.
To become a bona fide superstar, you're a PBA star right now, but to get to that superstar level, you have to bring it every single game. Yun yung susi doon, di ba?
And if Nambatak evolves to that PBA superstar level, then Rain or Shine also turns into that team. Alam naman natin yung Rain or Shine. They had a stretch where they were a shoe-in for the semifinals. Diba? They had a long run of Final Four stints. They want to get back into that level. And tingin natin, they have the pieces to actually do that.
And yung James Yap, Carlo, yung sinabi niya sa atin nung nakakwentuhan natin siya dito sa 2-team na hindi siya papayag na mag-retire. May 2 taon pa naman yung kontrata niya yata, if we're not mistaken. Pero hindi siya papayag na mag-retire na hindi siya makabigay ng kampyonato dito sa Rain or Shine. The franchise, the ownership group that he first played for way back in the PBL.
Yep, yun yung goal ni James Yap, to be able to give back to the franchise, give back to the team owners, the families even of the team owners na matagal nang nagpapakita ng suporta sa kanya. Yun lang yung iniisip ni James ngayon, to be healthy enough and be helpful enough for his team to win a championship.
Yeah, just have a shot at it, di ba? And alam naman natin yung kalidad niyan, the rest will follow suit with that. With Gabe and Bo still there, all kinds of experience. And then the young Reynam Batak leading that young side ng kanilang squad, yung James Yap yung magiging susi pa rin siguro para sa kanila, di ba?
Kung ikaw si Bo Belga, may advantage ka bigla kasi kunwari, nahihirap, parang may kalaban ka, wag mo lang bentahan dun mula sa sari-sari store mo, sira na din.
Uy, San Miguel Beer kagad ang kalaban netong Rain or Shine before they take on Terra Firma, Northport, and Alaska. Yung sa dulo magkakatalo yung Meralco, NLEX Meralco, Magnolia TNT, baka yung mga resulta niyan yung maging critical sa kanilang kampanya.
Of course, Rain or Shine, Coach Caloy Garcia, hoping that this could, start to turn things for them. They gone through a rough patch. Siyempre, as a franchise, they were able to stock up on a lot of young, good talent mula dun sa huling draft.